Consuming that endless stream of negative news and posts, it leaves you feeling anxious, depressed, and overwhelmed. We've all been through this at some point. It kills your energy and you feel completely drained. I found something that helped prevent me falling into that trap in the first place. A new habit that's working wonders for me so far, and I think it will work wonders for you too. I picked up this sketchbook from Amazon for about £2.50, which costs roughly $3, so I think it's an inexpensive investment into your mental health. As you can see, it's the most basic thing, which is fine for my purpose. Whenever I found myself falling into that cycle of constant scrolling or reaching for my phone for literally no reason, I consciously decided to get my little sketchbook instead and started drawing. The act of putting pencil or pen to paper with no pressure on the finished drawing needing to be an absolute masterpiece can be incredibly therapeutic. I intentionally placed my sketchbook where I would usually put my phone, kind of as a swap. I chose to have this sketchbook dedicated to random doodles, whatever came to mind, or by finding inspiration from my surroundings. By doing this, I found that it reduced my stress, boosted my mood, and increased my overall creativity, the complete opposite feelings you get from doomscrolling. I'm also seeing that it's helping me get better at sketching ideas directly from my imagination. So, in short, ditch the doomscrolling and grab a sketchbook. You might be surprised at what you create. Thanks for watching and let me know what you think of this video style. I'm always experimenting and I've tried a few new things this time.